Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and today I just talking about the slime that I made and how I make it. So I'm just gonna go turn on the TV in the background. Sorry. Okay, so I turned off the TV in the background. So I made just this hand soap and sugar slime. But it's not very good lighting. But that's better. This hand soap and sugar slime, and so all you need is hand soap, any kind of hand soap. This is the hand soap that I used. This it's like watermelon flavor, smell, whatever. Pharmacy. Sorry guys, that's really backwards because my hand's really wobbly. So it's watermelon flavor, and it's just a normal pump of hand soap. It doesn't matter what kind of hand soap it is, just any hand soap. And sugar. I think everybody has sugar. I'm just eating cheese, guys. I don't know why. And then all you do is let it sit for 2 days. 2 days might not work, so I did a week, and and then it turned out pretty good. It wasn't as sticky. It was clear, kind of, and then I only did a little bit because I didn't know if it was gonna work, and then it did. So I made more, and I just put it in like 15 minutes ago. So I'm gonna have to wait another week. I can show you guys. I'll go get it. So this is it. It's just in a small container. It's not ready because I just put it in about 15 minutes ago. And you have to let it sit with a lid on for about a week, maybe 2 days. I don't know. I did a week because it wasn't really forming. 2 days, so that's what I did about. I don't know if I'm good at lighting. That's our kitchen. So that's all I have to make, but it did turn out pretty good after about a week. We've already started getting our Halloween decorations up. Our Halloween decorations up. I just have some pumpkin lights. I'll try to show you. Hang on. There's the pumpkin lights that we have up. And then we have this really annoying bobblehead. Whenever you shake it. So basically, whenever you touch it or move it or something, put it down, it screams, and it's just so annoying. Alright guys, I just have to move that. It's so annoying. But we have our graveyard up. It's just a pretend one. There's Granny Bling, Dracula, Uncle Esther or something. Uncle Esther or something. Not dead, just likes to be buried. And then Old Wino. Every year was a good year. Flammable. Who cares? They're basically the same. And then my third cousin just went crazy with these. Hang on, my phone's plugged in because it's almost dead. Crazy with these magnets. There's just magnets, small little tiny magnets, all over our fridge. That's a light. Just tiny small magnets all over the fridge, and so many of them. We did buy them together, and I'm happy she bought them because we were running out of magnets. So I did make other slime. Hang on, I'll go get my other slime. So this is my other slime. Hang on, guys. I have my selfie stick here, so I need to stand it up. Sorry, guys. Okay, so here's my other slime. It's really big and it's blue, and I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit stretchy. It's more fluffy than stretchy. And I'm just gonna poke it. Hang on, guys. Sorry, 1 second. Just gotta move this closer. There you go. Hang on. There we go. Okay, here we go. So I just gotta clean the floor so it doesn't get dirty in my slime. And then it's really good for ASMR. Sorry, there's the cord in my way. There you go, everything's in my way. So I don't know if you can see that. Here, a little bit further away. I'm so sorry, guys, about this cord. My phone's almost dead, so I just had it plugged in. I made it with shaving cream, glue, and Tide. That's probably the most famous slime recipe. So I decided to use it, and it did work. I made it about a month and a half ago. Or maybe a month, I don't know. Not that long ago. Well, yeah, kind of long ago. Okay, so that is the end of my video, guys. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hang on, guys. Gotta get you guys longer. There we go. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and definitely try both of these recipes. The hand soap one and the Tide glue and shaving cream one. So yeah, and I am in my pajamas because it is it's 7:30. I'm not getting ready to go to bed. I'm just gonna have a shower or bath after this. Then I'm gonna go to bed after this. I'm just wearing this because I came home from swimming lessons a little bit, and I like to put my pajamas on after swimming lessons. So yeah, I'm gonna stop bumbling now, and you please go and try making that slime. Okay, bye guys.